What's up everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video we will be doing the unboxing and I will be showing you guys the content of this Clove dental kit. So you get this after a membership in their dental clinics. So Clove is one of the biggest dental chains here in India, and as you can see it is their platinum dental membership plan. So I don't remember the amount that you have to pay for this plan. You can check that online as well. So this is the box that you get inside of this shipping packaging. So as you can see, 2 smiles all year round Clove dental. So you get some 3 or 4 packages in a time frame. I guess it's 3 to 4 months. You get 3 to 4 packets. So as you can see, oral health is the gateway to overall health. So these are the stuff that you're going to find inside of this kit. So first of all, I will just keep it right here. So first of all, you will be seeing this toothpaste. So this is X-Star, the professional toothpaste. So of course this is made in India. As you can see, this is 100-gram packaging. So second thing, you will find a brush. So this is by Colgate, one of the well-known brand across the globe. So this is their soft brush that you get inside of this. So the next thing that you find is, so you can read this, so these are dental floss. You've got a couple of them in there, quite good quantity of floss. So moving ahead, you will be seeing this product, narrow space brushes. So this is 5 brushes that you gonna find inside. So this is the usage process, how to use these. Again, you can go through these. So guys, the last thing that you find inside of this packaging is Listerine Cool Mint, again a world-known brand. It's a mouthwash and it gives you good breath and it prevents gum problems and plaque. So this is pretty much it that you get inside of this kit. These are the 5 things that you get inside in this platinum membership plan.